This is my video presentation for the data analysis. The video is designed to show how to choose and use the correct imaging to do analysis of the existing image data. And image is obtained by cooperate with other analysis software corresponding to the quality of the data. And here, this is the data I chose, which is dataset 2. I will use confocal microscope and image J to analyze the corresponding image, the result images. And finally, I will use Excel to draw a graph to show the figures of the different data in the data set. First, I will use the confocal microscope. Compared with the traditional imaging method, the confocal microscope can improve the optical resolution and visual contrast. It also provides the possibility of 3D imaging, which I will use in the later data analysis. So, such as the window show, if we need to get in the test image of the samples, then we can focus on the options under the analysis to get target image, such as the choice of laser, the choice of the format, or the scanning speed, and so on. However, in this analysis, we have already obtained the data image, so we can directly open the target image in the process list. Then click on the Tool button to find the 3D projection, which I need to use, and then we can see the image. Then here I can choose the different viewing angle to observe the images, like change it to a specific angle like this, then choose the maximum projection, and after clicking the apply, then the corresponding fluorescence image can be obtained. So the same operation method can be done for the other data, the code 2 and code 3. Then I just need to export the images to the new folder, and for the next analysis steps. And the second step, I will use ImageJ to verify the different images got from the confocal microscope. The first thing I need to verify is whether we have any over or under saturated pixels, and this we can do in the analysis menu. Click on the histogram option. We do not want to have any pixels with intensities either 0 or 255. And here we can see that the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 255, which means that the whole image within quantitative range. Now the height of the peaks on the histogram represent how many pixels of certain intensity are present in your image. So this looks fine, and other images I hope as well. The second one and the third one. So there are no under or over straight pixels. Then measuring intensity of data in image is simple. I just need to go to Analyze and choose Set Measurement option, and here I need to select mean gray value, which will tell me what is the mean intensities for all pixels within selected area, and I can also select standard deviation for the mean gray value and the size of the area. Then I just need to select the area which I'd like to quantify, and because there's no structures really to be selected, so I just selected all image using rectangular cell selection tool. Then I go to Analyze and measure the selected area. Here we can see in the result window the mean intensity within the select area is 21.893, and I have done the other two images, and I have got the whole three mean value and the standard deviation value of the images. So as the figures show, the lower the standard deviation, the higher the uniformity represent. So next, I just use the Excel to draw a graph to show the different standard deviation of the three images. As the figures show, the code method 1 has the higher standard deviation than the others. So the code method 1 could be have the lower uniformity than the others, and the coding method 2 and the coding method 3 get the similar uniformity. So this is the result of the dataset. Finally, to summarize, in this analysis, I only made the qualitative analysis, but observe the contrast between the thickness and uniformity of the coating. For the further analysis, if conditions permit, the further quantitative analysis can be done to determine the efficiency of different coatings by measuring the time used for different coatings to reach the same thickness or the uniformity. And I think that's all about the video. Thank you.